Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful flower square pattern. The techniques that I am going to use for this pattern are chains, single crochet, double crochet and double treble crochet. So this is a very good tutorial for those who want to learn all these basic stitches. So I am going to use a yarn of this color, the choice of colors depend on you, and a hook of 2.5 mm. So at first we are going to begin with slip knot. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, chain 2 for chain space, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet 2, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 3, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 4, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 5, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 6, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 7, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 8, chain 2. Now we have to join the stitches into the third chain of the first stitch with slip stitch. We have to come to this chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which counts as double treble crochet. Now wrap the yarn thrice on the hook, insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is double treble crochet. Now wrap the yarn thrice on the hook, insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is double treble crochet. Wrap the yarn thrice on the hook, insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So these are double treble crochet. Again, double treble crochet 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now into these 2 chain spaces of 2 we have to do 8 double treble crochet. So complete doing 8 double trebles and we will meet again when next petal would be completed. When this petal with 8 double trebles are complete, we have to do chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to join this flower to the main part. So into this chain space of 10 we have to join the stitches with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to do 8 double trebles into these 2 chain spaces of 2. So complete doing 8 double trebles into these 2 chain spaces of 2 and we will meet again when next petal would be completed. When this petal is complete we have to do chain 5. Now we have to join the stitches into this chain space of 10 with slip stitch. Now we have to do chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now into the last 2 chain spaces of 2, we have to do one more petal with 8 trebles. So complete doing this and we will meet again when 4th petal would be completed. Now you can see this flower is joined to this side and this side of the flower. Now we are going to join this to this part of the flower so that this square would be completed. So we have done chain 5. Now into this chain space of 10, we have to join the stitches with slip stitch, chain 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to join the stitches into this double treble with slip stitch. Now this beautiful flower square pattern is complete. You can keep on increasing the pattern to the desired length. This square pattern is going to appear like this when it will be completed. You can keep on increasing the pattern for bed covers, shawls, cushion covers, and even for table mats, table cover too. This can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.